So today I'm going to attempt to film what I do in a day, literally everything that I do in a day at home. Sorry, my voice is like literally cracking, but like yeah, and also excuse my morning hair and look because I literally just got out of bed. I'm gonna go wash right now and I'll see you guys there. I'm all changed to my workout outfit. That's what I do, I guess, like every day, every single morning, right after I wash. I think it just really helps me get to my workout and get that out of the way, because I think working out every day is like pretty important now that we stay at home every single day. Since I wake up pretty late these days, it's actually already 11 something. Usually by this time I like debate whether or not I should like eat breakfast first or work out first, but we shall see. So as you can probably tell, I still decided to eat breakfast first because I was too hungry. So for today I'm making a avocado toast, but this time I added beets to make it a little bit more special. So yeah, I just smashed beets and avocado, and I added arugula and a fried egg on top. It was really good. So now that after I rested for about an hour or so, I'm just working out, and this is actually me stretching after my workout. So yeah, I just do a whole stretching routine, and here I am looking super sweaty afterwards. And now I'm finally done with my workout, and it's about 2. So now I'm just gonna take a quick shower and see you guys afterwards. So I'm all done with my coffee, and I'm actually just currently reading about investing. Now that I'm on my own, like, or about to be on my own, I really need to like learn those stuff beforehand to, I guess, like make better financial plans in the future. And I also plan to get into investing this year. And now I'm actually about to go make some brownies. Excuse my hair. It's kind of weird. I'm just like experimenting with my hairstyles, kind of, because, you know, just getting bored at home, you know. It's like a mirror almost, like I can see myself super clearly. So, you know, like when I looked up, I just like looked at myself, and then I just thought like, okay, my hair actually looks okay like this. Like, I'm just gonna experiment with like new hairstyles, I guess. What do you guys think? Is it cute or dumb? I don't know, but yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go to do some baking and I'll show you guys the process. Let's head over to the kitchen. So here I am in the kitchen, and I was just randomly craving for brownies, so yeah. And yeah, I just first melted some butter with chocolate chips, and then I combined it with some eggs, milk, and the dry ingredients. I will link the full recipe down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, anyways, and also this is a keto version, so I use coconut flour. And while I was waiting for it to bake, I was just watching some drama, and now it came out of the oven. I'm just slicing it up into pieces, and I'm giving it a first bite. It was super cakey and great. And after the brownie break, it was like already around dinner time, so I'm making this new cauliflower pizza crust that I got from online. It just arrived today, so I was just trying it out. And gotta be honest with you guys, it wasn't as good as I thought it would be. Like, it was pretty soggy and overly salty for me. So I'm also cooking some shrimp and mussels. So I just first added some garlic, and then added the seafood, and I'm also adding some cooking wine, salt and pepper, and finally some marinara sauce. And just keep stir frying, and that's the finished product. And I actually have a pizza slicer, so I'm just using that to slice up the pizza. And as I was mentioning before, it wasn't that good. The pizza was overly salty and too soggy for me. And the rest of the dinner was really nice though. The seafood was really fresh. So after dinner, I'm just continuing watching this K-drama while snacking on some of this dark chocolate as dessert. For my night routine, I'm just doing some mask. And yeah, brushing my hair.